I said, come in. Am I audible? Right. So now let us move to the further. So Eunice, so you got some error. Good morning, sir. Suddenly something went wrong with PyCharm. Old saved programs projects are not opening anymore. And I did yesterday's project. It gives this when I try to run it. So what you have done with this project? What you did? All of a sudden, why it will happen like that? Something went wrong, my dear student. And what you did, I don't know. Something went wrong. It is giving an exit code of 107. It is supposed to give it as a 0 only. So take care and try to reinstall, and old projects, old values will not go anywhere. Okay, now I will start the session. Okay, so now all of you has written the last class code, executed. Hmm? Right. So now I'll move to the further. Previously, this was the code, 9 examples. Under that, student menu and student main project, student add option, and the student add option in that validation part I added, exceptions part I added, and now student views dot py. In that, how to select all the records and how to select one record. We did a beautiful coding over there. So online students, I hope you people might practice it. So today's boys, where they went? Huh? Where? What is that? Saturday. Planning for Saturday. Earlier, Saturday used to be less train. Now, these days, this 1 year onwards, people are going to underground plannings on Friday. Underground planning purpose Friday only. Saturday, completely underground. Monday, tired. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Only 3 days will come. Now, that's why people are not able to becoming something difficult. So, anyways, to go for it, students, main program. This is what we discussed, and still we'll continue this part. We'll discuss still further things. Go to this and try to run. Already, you know, this running process. View all the data, and this is the data which I entered. Case 2, all the details are coming. Now I'll go for adding the data, something like 1. Now I'll go for 600 units, Shaman units. So I go for it. Marks is called something like 44.44. So got it. Data saved in a file successfully. Now I will go for what 2. I'll go for it. The data is available like this. The data is available like that. Now I'll go for what view a single student. 3 I will say 3. I'll say enter your choice 3. I'll say 600 here, 600 here, and I'm getting the data of that student. If I enter your choice is called 2, 3. If I say 125, which is not there, student record does not exist. So next I'll go for what? Deleting a student and then updating a student, and next what? Search a student. So I'll go for 4th option to implement. Okay now. So up to this you did executed. Frankly tell me students, how many of them executed? Frankly. Okay. Not executed. Not executed. Frank ఉండాలి ఎప్పుడు కూడా. No hanging punishment, no? Who did not execute? మీరు దానికి చేయట్లేదు, దీనికి చేయట్లేదు. మరి నేను అడిగితే ఏం చేస్తారా మీరు? గర్ల్స్, frankly speaking, who did not execute? Who did not execute this code? Who did not execute? Okay, one girl, 2 girls. 3, 4. Rest of them executed. నాకు అట్లా కనిపించట్లే. నాకు అట్లా కనిపించట్లే. రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ దమ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్. ఓకే. నాకేం అట్లా అనిపించట్లే అసలు. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఫీలింగ్ లైక్ దట్. Okay, maybe 4 or 5 girls did, but rest of them I did not feel that you executed. Openly saying. Okay. Anyhow, so Nenu, because when I sharply look at the student, I will come to know whether he did or not. 100% కనుక్కుంటా నేను స్టూడెంట్ సైకాలజీ అయితే when I look at the girl also, I will look at them and I will say whether they have done practice yesterday or not. Because that psychology which we studied in the research methodology in my PhD. Anyhow, girls, please do, mom. So I will move to the further. Say exit. 7 I am saying coming out of that. Now I am going for what? Delete. Open our file system that I put it specially for you. This is my name. Under that files, under that student information system, this I send everything for you. Student delete.py. Student delete.py. So I'm going to take up. Go to this place. Now I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to write it. Student delete.py. Very, very important. File name come module name. File name come module name. This is. Now I will write it. Come on. What to do now? What to do this entire thing? Deleting the things. If I want to delete the things, what should I do? If I say, if you look at that example, if you look at this example, this is my data. I want to remove this data. What to do? First of all, what to do? Going to the file, I have to locate this 300. I have to remove this. But locating 300 is very complicated for you, right or not? Very complicated. You need to know about what? Index. Starting index of what? 300 you need to know. If the 300 is, where is the 300 is available? You don't know. Which is the index you don't know. So what I do is, I will read the complete student data. I will look for the number called what? Which student you want to remove. Based on student number only, I will remove. So I will look for the number in the existing. That entry I will remove. And after removing, what will be left out? What will be left out? This entire thing is there now. This I will remove. Once if I remove, what is my final data? This data is there now. That I will write to the file. That I will write to the file. Did you understand this? Understood? So first I will do what? I will open the file. I will open the file in read mode. I will read the data. I will find out whether the record is found or not. If the record is found, I will remove the data. Then I will do what? Remaining data I will rewrite to the file once again. This is a deletion process. Come on now. What to do? With open. What is my file name? nit.data, comma, rb. I will use completely pickling. I am using of what? rp. So this is only for which purpose I am doing? Come on. Yes. So this I am going to take up. I will write a function students def. What is this now? Delete record. This is my function I am writing. If this file is not there, what I will get it? So I will say here, except what is this now? File not found error, and I'll say print of file does not exist. File does not exist. Okay. When it is there, I will read the data. How I read the data last class? While I'm going to do this views purpose, you observe it. I read this data by taking one record. I am getting all the records. I am appending all the records to whom? Records that I was printed. Can I take these things now? Okay. Or if you feel difficulty, I will write it. Here I will take it. Records is equal to list of empty list I said, and I already written it. While true, while true. What I do, students? I, what I do? Come on, students. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే నాకు తెలిసిపోతుంది ఇక్కడ. రికార్డ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు pickle dot load of fp. fp. That part you try to import pickle of. That I will take care. RP I will take it. That record you add to this records dot append of record. Record. This is going to be called what? You are appending, except what is this now? EOF error and say break. Okay. So break. You are taking break. Once you say break, it is coming out of where? Coming out of where? While loop it is coming out. After coming out, what should I do? After coming out of while loop, what I will do? I will look for completely records are available or not in this place. For your betterment, whether it is out of while loop or out of with open on, that you can take it. So I'm writing here out of with open indentation. With open of indentation. Open as indentation. I'm talking about it. What I'm printing? Here I'm printing. For record in where it is records. Print of what? Record. Just for your better understanding, I'm running my code. For better understanding, I'm running my code. Ravi Kumar Yadav is asking a question. What is EOF error, sir? EOF error అని ఒకటి ఉంటుందిలే, పైథాన్లో ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. EOF error అని ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. అది రవి కుమార్కి తెలియదు, అది డోంట్ నో. ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఆర్ నాట్? వెన్? డే బిఫోర్ ఎస్టర్డే ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. So today what is EOF error? Because of not reading, this is a doubt. So why does it come? Today is a doubt. Already when it is done, yesterday done, day before yesterday done, even in last class also done, and immediately next day, why EOF error? What it does? Again for Ravi Kumar Yadav purpose, I will tell you. What is that EOF error? Already I said in pickling and unpickling, I have a 4 records. Mr. Ravi Kumar, listen. I have 4 records. Already explained yesterday, day before yesterday. Again I am telling. This is the 4 records are there. With the pickle loading. And you are trying to call once again load, which is not there. You will get which error? EOF error. I already said, Mr. Ravi Kumar. I hope you are getting it. So now I will move to the further. So coming to this place, here I am going to write it, main program. So I am going to take up delete record. Are you okay, Ravi Kumar? See, once you miss something, how dangerous it is. So you try to run it. You see the data now. Am I getting the complete records or not? These are complete records. I am getting it. All the records I am getting it. Now I am going to take up. Don't forget Ravi Kumar. Now coming to this place. Here I will do records. I am printing it. Those records. Now I want to search the value. Which value I want to search it? I will accept it. Accept employee number, student number, and remove Come on, how do I accept it? SNO is equal to int of input of enter student number to remove the record. Okay. Then I'm going to take up. SNO is ready. What to do now? This part SNO. I need to go for what? Already the code was written it. This is only for your understanding purpose. I wrote it. Here I will write the same code. Here this is your output. I'm getting inner list 1 value. I'm getting it. So I need to take these values or not? How do you take that values here? How do you take only the numbers? Last class I shown you once again. Here I will write Record of what? 0. Record of 0. Try to run this now. You are getting the numbers like this. You compare that SNOs with what? You compare that SNOs with what? Come on. So number is activated. Now I am going to take it for record in. Record in where? Records. Records. Now I am going to take up record of 0 is equal to what? SNO. If it is found, what you do? If it is found, what you will do? That I need to capture that record. I need to capture that record. How do you capture that record? How do you capture that record? I say deleted record. Deleted record is equal to the record. I'm taking the complete values of that into this place. The record. Or if you want, you can take its index also. You can take it index also. Or you can take the complete value, you can take it. మీకు చూపిస్తాను ఒకసారి. I'll get this data, go to this place, on environment you go. Here I'm having LST is equal to 10 comma RS, 10 comma RS. This is the one. 20 comma what you know TR. And next is called what you know, close it. Next is called 30 comma what you know DR. Close it like this. LST of it. This is the data. I want to remove this data. How do you remove? LST dot remove of. I will take up 20 comma TR. 20 comma TR. It is removed. We used to remove one value. We can remove the complete inner list also. So print the LST here. It is gone. One more way to remove is I captured the record. I am removing that record. One more way to remove is print the LST. LST dot pop of what? One now. I can capture that record also. You can print that. That also gone. Already you know subject of how to remove. So here also I captured the record, and then you say immediately what? Break. You say immediately break. You say immediately break. And if at all you are interested, if you say break, I need one condition to be taken. So something like found is equal to false. Found is equal to false. Now here I am writing found is equal to what do you do? True, you do it. And I made it. Delete record. Capture that record. Break it. Once you say break it, it is coming out of the loop. What should I do now? If found, what you will do? If it is found, what should I do? You find out which record is supposed to delete. For your understanding, I will print that. So, print off. For your understanding, I am going to say about to delete or record marked for deletion. Record marked for deletion. Marked for deletion is equal to what? Del REC. Del REC. Else I will write it. Else I will write it. What is this now? Record does not exist. Record does not exist. Record does not exist. I think you are following me. Try to run it. Try to run it once and then check it out. Enter the student number to delete. So I'll say something like, so I say something like this. Number is called what? So 125 you say, 125, record does not exist. You say the number called what again? You run it once again, close it. Try to run it once again here, 300, 300. What is that? Record marked for deletion is equal to like this. My record is located. Try to run once again, 600. 600 record is called what? Marked for deletion. So I captured the record, which one you want to. That I will remove. From where? From where? From records I want to remove. From records I want to remove. Records contains lot of values or not? From there you remove. How do you remove? How do you remove? I will say records dot. What is this now? Remove of del record. Del record. Deleted. deleted. I will say here print off. What is this now? So student record, student record, deleted, deleted, deleted successfully, deleted successfully. You can verify this is done. This part you can write it at the end of it or before that and write it. Right. Done, students. Once it is deleted, you want to see that? You want to see rest of them? Records you want to see remaining that? That you see. Here you go for it. Here I'm going to take up. What is happening? 3, 300. So what is happening? Student record deleted successfully. The 300 is not there. Are you following? It is only there in a, it is there only in the main memory. I deleted the record from the list of records. This remaining records I will write to whom? File. I will write to file. I will write to file. The remaining records I will write to file. Here only I will write the logic for what? Writing the records to the file. Because this is not a joke to without practicing. If you come and sit in front of me, nothing understandable because you need to have strong programming skills first. So how do you do that now? With open, NIT dot NIT dot data, NIT dot data, comma what? AB or WB. AB I don't want to say WB. Why WB compulsory as what WP? Why WB? Already there is a old record there, but I want to replace with my newly records. So I'm going to take up. I will go for what again? I will say go to that pickle dot. This is what I'm having. Pickle dot dump of what is this now? Records, 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 comma what? WP, WP. That's all. WP. This will be dumped. The remaining records will be dumped over there. If it is not, it is not going to be. Record does not exist, you will get it. Record does not exist, you will get it. So I hope students, this is the one I will go for adding to the main program now. Adding to the main program now. This is what is my file name? Delete record is my function. Coming to this place, main program you come. Main program you come. Number 4, here I am going to write it. Number 4, I'm going to write it. Delete record from where I'm going to get it. From student delete, from student delete, import, delete record. Start running now. See students, what I'm going to take it, view all the students, 2 is even my record is there because I was only trial run. It is only the trail run, only tested. Now I'm going to go to 300. Shall go for 300. Enter your choice. What is the choice? Fourth. 4. Enter the student number to delete. Enter the student number to delete. 300. 300. What is happening? Student record deleted successfully. Go for what? View. View. Second. Say. What is happening? What is happening? Student record. This data is printed as it is. It is printed what way? Normal it is printed, but I want to print in what style? Normal record style I need to print, like an output style I need to print. Go to where again? Go to where? Student delete. Maybe this is available. Here it is available. Dump. After dump, it is going to be available here. I think what you are choosing there. 1 minute, student. Go to the main program once. Main program. See the output of it. What is the choice I entered? Second, view all students' records. View all students' records, student details. It is printed in the form of what? Values are written. Values are written. Okay. What you do is, I do like this, students. Go to the delete once. You do like this. What I do is, instead of writing like this, you do like this. What I am doing is, here I will say for record in records, you say pickle dot dump of, no, pickle dot dump of what? Record comma, what is that? WP, WP. You say like this. You say like this. Try to run once. Try to run once here. Go to this place once and main program you come. Try to run this now. See this now. I will go for what you know. 2. I will take 2. So this is the data which is having. This is a old data which is still it is available in the same manner. What I do is I'll go to this place once again for your clarity purpose. I will go once to my place nit.data. I will delete it. I'll delete my file. I'll delete my file. So delete it. The file is deleted. Try to run once and add a new student 1. Student number 100 or TR 22.22 data is added. So one more time 1 says some 200. Name is called RS. Say the value called 55.55. Say the value called 1 again. Say the value called something like 300. Say something like this. So I'm writing like this and say it 1 here, 400 here. The value is called something like DR and say some value called 77.77. You go for a second here and it is going to view the complete data like this. Now you go for which one I want to go for? Fourth, you go for it. Fourth, enter the number 300. You say 300. You say what is happening here? Student deleted record successfully. You go for viewing all the students. Say here 2. So you are going to get that second record gone or not? Second record gone. Earlier we have the second record that is gone. Why earlier we got the inner format? Well, that is inner list and outer list completely written. But later I changed my code as what? Only record by record is written. I hope you are following me. So this is called what? Update deletion. Clear or not clear? Enter one more time. So fourth here, and say the number called 300, which was already removed it. What is happening? Record does not exist. Perfect. Perfect. You take your, if you are a very talented student, you develop your own project, Aadhaar card data. Enrollment, enter your Aadhaar card number. Still Aadhaar card number I want to give randomly. I'll go for random number generation concept also very soon. That you can give random number also you can give it. Are you following me? Next, I will view second, third, I will view single student record. 3, I'll say 300 here. So student record does not exist in all the way. I think you are following me. Second is, this is a data. Now I want to go for what? Updating. I want to go for updating. So before updating, let me confirm from students. Students, is it clear? Is it clear? Naresh. So Naresh is asking some question. Hi sir, I'm not sure. I'm not sure this is the time to ask this question. Is this each record in the DB table list? Yes. So we are going to see that more. In the DB also, we are going to take it as a record. How it is a record, we will explain. In the DB communication, anyhow we have now. Further is what? Database communication. I'll explain it. Right. Anyhow, it was clear for you. So now, online students, is it clear? Only Naresh said that it's clear. Others, I need to know about only other people. If you did yesterday's class, today is very clear. Today, yesterday, if you did not do, if you just come without doing anything with empty hands, it's a problem always. Now, coming out of that, now I'll go to the next step. Next, Nike, crystal clear. Okay, clear. Now I'll move to the further. Which one next? Fifth one. What is the fifth one here? Update. Update. Can you help me in update now? Can you help me in updating the record? Update dot py. Update dot py. I'm going to take it. So now I will help you. Now I will ask your help to go for update. I'll see how you help me and I will look at. So it is known as what? File name come what? Module name. File name come module name. Tell me. Updating means what? Updating means what? Changing the value or not? You want to change a name, you want to change marks, it is your chance. It is your chance. What do you want to change? Marks. Name. మీరు ఏం చెప్తేది? What do you want to do? Both you want to do or only marks you want to do? Both. Now you are only helping now. So both you want to change? Come on, start both. Both name plus marks you want to change. Start. Cursor is blinking. It's at line number 2. If you say I will write the code, no sir, we don't know means I will tell the code. Madhu, play. Come on. You will or I will? You will or I will? You will. You. Girls, you will or I will? చెప్పండమ్మా మీరా నేనా? మీరు. బాయ్స్, you or me? You. Say. You or me? You and you. Okay, tell me. మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ రాదు ఏం రాదు. Girls, you or me? Me. Okay, me means do it. Okay, boys, you or me? You. Okay. Now I will move to the further. Naresh, good student. I will get the records first. Get it. Get the records. How to get the records? Go to delete aspect is there na? Can I copy that? మళ్ళా రాయాలంటే కష్టం కదా. I will copy up to where? Here I will get it. Up to here I will get it. Later I will carry out. Update here. Update record I will take it. Update. Because of that, what is happening? Because of that, what is happening? Coming out of that, for your understanding, get what? Records. So, you are out of what? For your clarification, I'm going like this. Here I'm going to take out of without indentation, I'm going to write it, print that for record in where? Records. For your better understanding, I'm going to take. Okay. This is what I'm going to write the main program also. This is a trail run. I'm doing trail run here. What is this now? What is this now? Update record. Update record. Try to run once. Here I'm going to write it. Indentation. NLA block. Yes. So I'll write it what here? Except I need to write it. Except I need to write it. Which block? File not found error. File not found error. This anyhow, I'll be writing file not found error. Okay, that you are writing out of this, out of that, you are supposed to write this except block. Update also you come. Here I will try to write it. Even you can write, no problem. If you want to write here, no issue. Return it here. Out of this. Okay. This is the one you have written it. This is where you are getting it. Out of this except block. Records you are getting it. Try to run it. Say this now. Got. You can write last, you can write in the middle also. So done it. So coming to the point of it. So Harshit. So what is the meaning of Miru and Nenu? Harshit, are you Hindi student or Telugu student? Are you Hindi student or Telugu student? Hindi student. Don't worry, because I am talking to Telugu student. Miru means you. Nenu means me. Sir. Miru means, because subject also I have to tell, language also I have to tell. Miru means students. Telugu I am talking. Nenu means caviar. Okay, fine. Happy, huh? Because some sincere Hindi students will be there. Because whatever I talk, they want to understand. Something is Talking to Telugu student, they will get doubt. What is that word? So Harshit is also one student in that category. Very sincere candidate. Now, all are sincere only, but I will highlight some more concentrating students. Okay. Why? Because Arshid, because these Telugu students are something like these days becoming rocks in the Himalayas like this. They are not melting even when we talk so many things. That's why I'll talk now and then something like in Telugu. Come on. What to do next? Records are coming or not? After that, I will take one employee number or not? Employee number. If that employee number is there, I will update the data or not? I will update the data, right? Basically, this is going to be printed like that. You can print even like this also. Like this also you can print it. How do you can print it? Simply records of like this also you can print. Which is going to be called what? List in list it is going to be printed. It is going to be taken like this. It is going to be taken like this. Go to this place. It is going to be like this. List is equal to like this. Okay now? Once it is like this, suppose 200 is there. It is matching. What to do? 200 is present in this place now. 200 is present in this place. What is this inner list? 0, 1, and this is called what? 2. So your 200 is present here. Immediately I have to capture the ID also, that is index also. Why? Why index or earlier? Why not index? Earlier, I was completely removed that. Today, I found the 200, 200 related name, 200 related marks I have to update. To update it, I need what? Index of that record. So this is called LST of 1 of what? 1 is equal to new name or not? LST of 1 of what? 2 is equal to new marks or not? LST of 0 found. Name and number I have name and marks I have to change it. That's why index is compulsory. Getting me? So go to the place, my dear students, and then start now. Leave that output as it is. Now I will go to update related. After printing that, now I need to go for what? Accept the student number for updating. So in the delete part, I have a logic there here, and to accept the student number, I'm going to take up now update. Here I'm writing enter the student number for updating. What? For updating S name and what? Marks. Come on, number I got it. Found is equal to false. Tell me. Here today I will take something more logic. Tell me. Because I have written this much logic. Tell me now. మనకు ఏం రాదు అసలు. ఫర్ I in range of LN of records. LN of records. Right. Print of what? I. Record IDs will be, record indices will be printed. Record indices will be printed. So some 200 I say. Don't worry about the 200. It is going to print what? 0th record, first record, second record. This 200 is going to be present in this place or not? Present means what is that ID? That means LST of what? Record of what? What is that? 1 of what? 0 is equal to what? 200. Is it matching or not? Once it is matching, what should I do? Update the name and marks. So go to that. First locate it. Code. I will write it. This is going to give you what? I is printed, comma. For your better understanding, I will write it like this. What I am doing? What I am doing? Records of what? I. Records of I. Sure. I will show you in different ways for you. 200. What is happening? 0th record this one, first record this one, second record this one. In these places, I have to compare with what? This value with this not equal, this value with this equal. Update immediately this values break. Yes or no? Come on, how to do that? How to do that? After that, you are writing one beautiful if statement. Come on, what is the beautiful if statement? Of what? 0 is equal to SNO. SNO. If it is present, what do you do? What do you do? Update. What to update? LST of what? LST of this one, I will say of 1 is equal to enter input of enter new name, enter new name for updating, for updating, for updating its name, its old name. Okay. Next, records of what? Records of what? I of what year? 2 is equal to float of input of input of enter new marks for updating, for updating its old marks. It's updating old marks. Okay, done, updated. Reading immediately updated. What to do? Break. Break. Are you following? And see that. And this you are updating. If you want, you can do in another way also, student, that you already know how to do it also. If at all you are interested, if at all you are interested, you can say RECNO is equal to IE. RECNO is equal to IE. And you can say keep a comment here. Keep a comment here. And say what? Found is equal to found is equal to what? True. And say break. Once you come out of that, what is happening now? Once you come out of that, you are breaking, coming to this for loop. Once you say break, your found is equal to true. Then what you will do? If found is equal to, if found, what are you doing? What are you doing? You can write happily. This value you can write it. What I will write it now? RECNO. RECNO. In place of RECNO. Let it be one only. And say what here? RECNO. RECNO. Similarly, you go for what? The same thing. REC what? This is called a 2. You write it a 2. This value you try to take it. This value you try to take it. I hope you are following me. This is called updated. This is the one which is getting. Else you say. What do you say else? Print of what? Record. Record. Does not exist. Does not exist. Does not exist. So you say after that you print updated records for your understanding. Updated records. Are you following me? This is called old records is available now. Old records available. Now this is called what? Updated records available. Try to follow. Try to run. This is my old records. Say 200. So enter new name for updating its thing. What is the new name? I'm going to take it what you know. Guido Van Rossum. GV. Guido Van Rossum. So Guido Van Rossum. You say marks you write it. Something like 66.99 you say. It is. What is happening? Earlier 200. 200 remains same. RS is going to be GVR. And 55.55 becomes what? 66.99. And remaining data is going to be available like this. What do you say? Are you okay? If you are not okay or not, answer is coming. మనకు వచ్చినా రాకపోయినా ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసింది, నాకైతే వచ్చేసింది. I got an answer. If you don't know, and it is so. Validation and exception, you can happily write it. Validation and exception, I already written it. You can write exception if you want. You can write here itself. SNO, input student number. You can write it. Try you can write it. Except you can write it. You can make it to go for repeating like this. You want to do that? అది కూడా కావాలనా? So if you want, you can write it. What is this? Try. Try. You can take it. You can take this. Try. And if you want, you can make it. This entire thing If you want to make it entire thing, you can write it. In this place, right, say here, except, what is this now? Value error, value error. You can take it. Print off what? Come on. Don't enter, don't enter. AL enums, STRs, and symbols for number. For SNO, for SNO. You want to go for marks and etc. Here also, number and what? Marks. Number and marks. For name is concerned, you can write validation logic is written or not. Here, beginning. Ekkada? So student add. Here validation is written or not. Like this, you can add it. You can add to our name also. So during your practicing, you add that kind of mechanism. You try to run it. You say here, number is called 200x. What is happening? Like this. Are you following? Simple. You execute it. You execute it. You say 200. You say 200. You say something like, Guido van Rossum and say something like 23.ABC. You got an exception. Getting? So this data, after finishing this data, here I will remove the old records. Because it is finished now. Task is finished. This task is finished. Now I will go for what to do now. I will go for what? Once you are updating these records, I will write to whom? File. How do I write it? With open, nit.data, comma, WB. Why WB? Because already old records are there. Replace with this. What is this now? FP. Come on. For record in where? Records. Come on. Pickle dot dump of record comma FP. Record comma FP. It is done. After finishing that, after finishing this entire thing, after completion of this everything, you say after completion of that entire thing, what is that? Record updated, record updated, student record updated, student record updated. So student record updated successfully done. Record does not exist. That is done. Once you have written the data to the file, you are simply saying that record updated successfully. So students, this is the main. To remove it because you have seen completely. Anything else? This is the data, students. So try to remove this now. Got it. So here we got it. This is the data. So coming to the point of it. So again, Naresh, I don't think in the DB level we can do overwrite at all the time because I degrade the system performance. Kindly correct me if I'm wrong. Naresh, again you are going to the same direction. When I come to database level, I will go for telling about the database level. I will go to it. I will compulsory explain you. There you need not to rewrite once again there. I will update just based on what? Number, employee number. Okay, now? So don't be exciting. When I come to the database level, we'll talk about it. You want, you see. Where I'm going to show you, look at my existing node classes, very recently completed. Go to my Oracle, Python with Oracle, Python with SQL also. Look at here. I'm going to write it. Update Oracle update. Somewhere else there is a Oracle update. So here where is that? Update example one. Update example one. Here I'm going to do it. Okay, now are you seeing this now? This I'm going to tell you. Updating concept. Don't worry about it because I'm in this present topic now, so I cannot talk about that. Deviating topic is not correct. That time I will call you once again and I will clarify it. Clear up? Run this code now. Go to the main program now. Go to my record here. Student update record. I'll go to main project. I'll write it. Here I'm going to take up. So here I need to go for this now. Student update record. From this place I will go to. From what is this now? Student update. Student update. Import update record. Try to run this now. Try to run. Now see students, view all the students. Two, this is my complete details. I want to update this data. Update this data. 200 or DR, whatever it is. 400. Enter your choice. 5. 5. Enter the student number. 400. 400. Enter the new name for updating. Now I'm going to write it. Richie. Richie. So enter the marks for updation. Some 99.99. So it is called what? Student record updated successfully. You want to view that. So 2. You say 2. So Richie updated with 99.99. Right. Next, you want to go for one more updation. So 5. Enter the number 200. Next is called row sum. Next is called marks is called 66.66. So updated record updated successfully. You go for 2. Row sum done. Next, last and final. Go for update 5. Go for this number called what? 100. Say something like Travis. Say something like 88.88. Also updated successfully. Go to the value called what? 2. That also getting updated. You say next last final. Say 5. You say number called 125. So what you are having record does not exist. I think you are following. So go to that 3 single record. I'll say 200. So getting row sum, which is updated value coming like this. Perfect. Understand? Next, I'll go for what? So Spandana. Only can we only update marks without name? ఇది పెద్ద ఇంటర్నేషనల్ డౌట్ ఇది. నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను. ఆల్రెడీ ఐ సెడ్. సో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్, డోంట్ ఆస్క్ మీ సచ్ ఇన్నోసెంట్ డౌట్స్ ఇన్ మై క్లాస్. స్పందన్ వరకాంతం. ఆర్ యు బాయ్ ఆర్ గర్ల్? First you tell me that. If boy means I'll tell something different answer. Girls means girl. Okay. Seema already girl na. Girls means softly I will tell. But softly is another very hard answer. That is. Boys directly taking gun and then firing. Seema. I said already in the class. If you want to, because if girls are asking the doubt, Harshit, not special quota like, because girls will not ask like that, but still anybody ask, because I already said to you, you only said that update to sir, you said. If I don't want to update the marks, if I don't want to go for name, I'll keep a comment there. I'll keep comment kada. I'll keep comment. Spandana. Seema. I will keep a comment here. Are you following me? Spandana. I'll keep a comment there. Okay, sir. No, understood. You need to say, okay, sir. Okay, pony. Not like that. Are you okay? Understood or not? I said, only name you want, don't want, keep a comment. Update only this. Understood. Like that you need to tell. Don't tell for our purpose. Your heart should say that you are understanding. Are you following me? Now. So coming to the point of it. So Shubhakant Naik, if we delete record name, same as update record, name exception is coming or not? That type of coding record. I already said now. Shubha Naik is also asking, coding required or not required? Required. What required? That same exception, whatever is there, you reuse it. Reuse it. How do you can reuse it? How you can reuse it? Go back to this place. What I will do? Name is there now. Name. Where is the name? Go to the place. Here name is there. Go to what? Validation of. You say validation of. Where is the validation is available in my class? Student add time. Student add time. This is a validation is there or not? This is a validation is there. I will call it as what? Student add.py. Add.py. Go to this update. Go to this place. Here I will do what? From where? Student add. Import what? Validation. When validation is coming, what are the exceptions are coming? What are the exceptions are coming? Name error is coming. Name error is coming. Other kind of things are coming. What that should I do? Except whatever is there, I will bring it. Add this place you are having. Invalid name error. All these things I will bring it. All these things I will bring it. To update, you go to this place. You add this. Go to this place. Comma what? Come on. What is this now? Invalid name error. Next is what? Zero length error. Comma. Space error. Space error. These are all left and left finger. These are all left and left finger. Come on, run this. Run this code. Beautiful, no issue. Go to this place, close this part, and try to run again. Freshly, go to this. Run, start. Enter. What is that? Update. 5. 5. Enter the number. Enter the number. 100x. 100x. Don't enter this and then go. Not possible. Go to the next step. 5. Next number is called what? 200. 200. What is the name? Name for updating. Who is that candidate asked that name updation? I will enter that name. So with that, Nayak. Nayak name I will enter. Nayak. Nayak. 123. Nayak 123. Invalid name, try again. So next is called what? 5. 5. So 200. Nayak. 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 So old marks, whatever the old marks, something like 10.20x 20 ABC. What is happening? Don't enter that number. So 200. Say choice is invalid. Say here I will go for what? 5. 5. Go to 200. So Nayak. Nayak. Say something like 10.01. It is got updated successfully. You want to view, say second. Nayak. Nayak data is updated or not? Are you okay, Nayak? Nayak, are you okay? So coming to that, Nayak is clear. So coming to the point of it, Nayak is also clear. Go to what? Next, go for search. Search. So online students. So Spandan understood. Nayak understood. Then anybody else having this? Now I'll go to this place. I'll say exit 7. I'll go to 7. Coming out of that. Next, I'll go to last part of it. What is that last part? Search. Searching. Searching is nothing but what? I'll go for what? Searching is nothing but what? Go for what? Entering the number and then display. Entering the number and display. So search.py. Student search.py. Coming to the point back. Here I'm going to take up. Go to this place. Now I'm going to take it. Here I'm writing. Search.py. Search.py. Now go to this place. Now go to this place. Here I'm supposed to write it. Here I'm writing. Search.py. File name come what now? Module name. File name and module name. File name and module name. Are you following me? How do you do now? Start. Come on. I will enter the file name. File name enter this. Anta mattam out. So student search. Enter the number and then getting the details. Enter the number and getting the details. It is just like what? Viewing the student details only. It is just like viewing the student details only. It is almost similar to Searching the record is nothing but viewing the single student details. It depends. Search the student data on name, marks, number. It is your own talent. How do you use it? So I will go for what? Searching based on number. If it is a number, first value only I will take it. If it is a name, second value comparison. If it is the third one, third value comparison I will take it. If I want to go for searching the record based on the student number, I will exactly go for which data. Go to student view is there now. Student view. This is the place. Here we are having the function what you have written. This get record as it is. I will go for it. As it is, I will go for it. As it is, this concept I will bring it here. Student search. I'll write as this here. Student search record. I will go for search record. So there I'm going to write it. Import pickle. Import the pickle. I'm going to get it. Get the data. And print these details now. Student search record found. Record does not exist. Record does not exist. Same thing we will write as usual. So searching a record is nothing but getting the individual student record. So this you try to go for it. You try to come to main program. Where is the main program here? There you try to go for it. What is the file name here? Search record. So here search record function I will take it. Here I am going to take up main project. You go to this place. Here I am going to write it. Search record. Go to this place. From where? Student search. Student search. Import what? Come on. Search record. Search record. Try to run it. Almost everything is over. Go to this. I'll go for the sixth one is like this. Enter this. Enter your choice. Enter the details. Something like 300. So you are going to get it 300. 300 student is not there. 300 is there or not there? Not there. Just look at choice is 2. 300 is not there. Go for something like 6. Say 400. 400 you say, and 400 details will be coming. Are you following me? Now, if you want, you can go for what? These are all complete details are given. If you want, you can go for what? Sorting this data based on your values also. You can sort the data based on numbers also. How do you sort the data based on numbers? Sort function you can use. Sort function. You can use it. So once you started working on it, you'll be getting so many thoughts of getting. I can go for what? Sorting based on numbers. Sorting based on name. You know how to sort the data. How do you sort the data? Sort function is already there. Sort of names you can take. Sort of numbers you can take. Anything you can take it. So that is very perfect. One student is asking if duplicate. So some student, Siddhartha is asking, while adding record, can it contain duplicate data? Duplicate data means what? Siddhartha. Siddhartha is having two names, will be having same Siddhartha, but number should be different or not. While adding, you should check what? While adding, it is also a good question. You have to search with what? Existing records you need to search. If it is already present, don't say that it is already present. Choose next one. How do you do that? Membership operator you need to use. Membership operator. If you want to see, I'll go to it. Add. During adding time, this is a number, name, marks, and etc. This is a list. Now you need to do what? You are dumping without considering what? Without considering what? Whether that number is already there or not. Before dumping, you should say what? You have to check whether that already containing or not. I should check it whether it is there or not. What to do for that? I'm going to take it. I will take up this kind of thing. I will take one small thing. Here I'm going to take it, students. Give me some 1 minute time for checking whether the number is already contained or not. How do you check it? You see that, go to this place. How do you take this now? How do you take it now? LST of You say for record in where lst, if you print what here, the record of what, record of what is this, the 0, the record is coming first of all, print of what, record of 0, only that values I am taking it, only that values I am taking. The number what I am passing will be compared with what, existing number. If it is already there, what will happen? If it is already there, what will happen? Already it is existing, choose the next one. For that, what I will do here is, I will take one function here. Just wait. Checking the duplicate. Verifying. I'm going to write it. Something like verify. Verify. Duplicate record. Verify duplicate record.py. Like this, once you know subject, you can write any kind of thing. There is no doubt in that. So DEF. Verify. Verify. What I will pass it, record number will be coming. What is the number is coming here? You are adding what? Student number, student name, and marks. Which one is the existence checking? SNO. That you are sending. SNO you are sending here. That point of time you are going to do with open NIT dot what? Data, comma, RB as what? FP. FP. Now I am going to take up, read the records. How do you read the records? How do you read the records? Records is equal to, I will write it what? List of empty records you are taking. There you are writing while true, you are getting the records. While true, record is equal to pickle dot load of FP. FP. Import the pickle. Import pickle. There you are saying that records. So what happens? Okay. Records is equal to what do you do here? Records not what? Append of what? Append of what you can say? Record you are saying. Even if you say that 0, only one part you can say. This is existing values. Okay, no problem. Records also no problem. Or SNOs also no problem. SNOs is equal to SNOs dot. SNOs dot. After finishing the while loop, after the with open, you say SNOs. Try to look at SNOs. You try to come out of that. What is the function name? Verify off. Try to run this now. We are getting, what is happening? Verify off. You pass the value called what? 100. Just pass 100. Try to run this now. Pickle. Okay. You try to write it here by, because I am using unpickling mechanism. You say what here? Except EOF error. And say what now? Break. Before break, you can print this SNOs and you can come out. You see that all the values are coming. These values I'll compare with what? Once you say break it, it is coming out of the while loop. What you will do? Odubabulu, come on. If SNO in where? SNS, SNOS. If it is present, what do you do? Duplicate is equal to what? True. Duplicate is equal to true. Else, what is this? Else, duplicate is equal to what? False. You say direct cross అని ఇక్కడ return true అని. Return what? False. Return false. Duplicates means true if it is found. If it is otherwise, it is going to be what? False. So it is going to do what? RS. Print of what? RS. So here I am writing is 100 found already. Is 100 found? I am writing is equal to what? RS. So beautiful. See, is 100 RS already found? Come on, Madhubabu. True. If it is 1000 means is it already found? False. False means what? Insert. Insert. False అంటే లేదు. True means what? There. So, got it. This is going to be verified. Go to where? Adding time. Go to adding time. What I'm going to do after finishing? Now I'm going to, before dumping, I will check. I'll check what? Call. Which one you will call? Muddu Babulu, come on. Verify. Duplicate records. So here I'm going to take up. Go to this place. Here I'm going to add time. Adding time. Here you are going to check for. Check whether. Check whether the SNO already exist or what not. What is the function name? What is the function name here? This is my module. This is my module. Say what? Come on. From verify record, import, verify. So you are going to see in this place, this is a validation, student data. Come on, what is this now? Verify. Of what you pass? SNO. What is the result? What is the result? Either true or here I will write it. If not, not, if not. So here I will write it. Here I will write it. Not means what? Verify.sno. Verify.sno returns what? If SNO is present already in that, it returns what? True. True means what? You cannot. False means what? It is not there. Duplication is not there. That means go to this place. What it returns? Duplication is not there, for example. Not there means what? False. False means what? Not false. True. You dump it. అందులో లేదు లేదంటే false. Not false means true. You dump it. If it is already there, returns what? Mudubavulu. True. Not true. False. False means what should I do? Else. What is that? I'll write it. Print. Already is already exist. Exist. Try next. Try next. Try next. That's all. Try next. Beautiful. Go to run. This is the one. This is the one. Go to main project. Where is my main project? Go to main project. Super. Say run. What is my data? 2. View. 100, 200, 400. Say what is that one? 1. Enter the number. 100. What is happening? Enter the student name. What is the student name? KV. Say here. Marks is called like this. What is happening? Already exist. And I need to print 100 already exist. That means you cannot go for doing that. I'll change that. I'll go to my place. Here I will cancel it. Close it. Come out of that. Here I will go to verify once. Where is my verify duplicate? Here I need to write it. This is a place where I was printed that. ఇక్కడ ప్రింట్ చేయకూడదు because I printed for your understanding purpose and come out of this now at time. Say what now? So what is this now? Here dot format of what? SNO because I got it SNO. Are you following me? Yes. So try to run it. Say here this was already, it is there in this place. Go to main project. Where is my main project? Here my main project. Run. Say number 1. So 2 first. This is my data. Say 100. Something like 1. Say 100. Next KV. Say something like 11.11. What is happening? 100 already exists. Try next. So next, say something like 125. Enter your choice. One only. Say something like, what is my data? What is my data here? 400, 400, 400. Name. So SID. Say something like 55.55. Already exist. Already exist. One. Say something like 500. 500 kV. 11.11. Done. Student data saved successfully. Now say something like, what you know, 2. 2. All the data is printed. అదంతా మన చేతిలో ఉంటుంది అది. How do you write? Your depends on your intelligent. If you are intelligent, you can write it. If you are Modu student, will be like that only. So, Siddhartha, are you okay? Are you okay? So, are you okay here? Did you understand? This is the point I said. That requirement is done. So, come out of that. You say, I want to update 5, 5. Go to 5. Enter the 5, 5. What is this 5? Actually, I need to go for enter the student number 2, update the record I need to say. Still that message is there as it is. 5. I need to go for what? 500. 500. I will write a name, KVR. I'll write it KVR. And I'll say marks 12.33. 33. It is updated successfully. Say that view 2. It is done. KVR 12.33. ఇది ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంటే అర్థమవుతుందా? ₹1,00,000 కట్టారు బీటెక్ లో ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ లో, సెకండ్ ఇయర్, థర్డ్ ఇయర్, ఫోర్త్ ఇయర్. ఏమైంది? ఏమైంది? ఏమి కాల, ఏమి కాలేదు. అందుకని ఒళ్ళు దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని చదువుకోవాలి. Need to read very perfectly. Okay. So whatever the requirement is there, but you can do it very perfectly. Go to update time. I think there is enter the number 2, update the record. So this you directly present in the interview point of view. Go to Apollo Pharmacy. Yesterday said some important thing. You develop it. If somebody says 10 lakhs, yes sir, I will develop 2 lakhs only. I'll develop because beginner you are. You develop it. Next you can increase to 12 lakhs. Because it depends on how you write the coding. And more than this much complicated, you will not come across. And if I go to database level, dead easy. If you go to database, go to deposit, banking database, banking application will develop. When you withdraw more than 10,000 rupees from your SBI, one pin will come or not? Randomly that pin will come. How to generate the random pin? How to enter the random pin? If pin is matched with a random pin number generation, then the cash will be dispensed. Otherwise, you are an unauthorized user. 3 times, more than 3 times you are entering pin number, I will block your ATM card. Blocking ATM card is nothing but removing the ATM card number from the database. Once you keep the card number is not there, card number is made as null. Null is equal to number. It is nothing but contact the branch manager, your card is invalid. The coding. Understand? Girls, understand? Only taking books, coming to the Samirpet like everybody, if you move here and there, nothing will come. This is a way to talk. Yesterday and today, without touching this example, also I can move forward. Without touching this example, I will move forward. But beginning at Python level, some project I said I will explain. EDA project also I will explain. NumPy Pandas level project. Understand? So to do this entire thing, you need to keep by yourself. Close your book. First study this entire thing. Study this entire thing. Do by yourself. And if you go on doing, lot of requirements will come. Lot of requirements will come. Take the requirements, going on adding. Siddhartha asked, I want to have only unique numbers. Yes, I can do it. Project is not one day, it is completed. It is going on ongoing modifications to be done. So student means what? One day become student. It is ongoing process. So like that you can go for it. So now I will go to. So coming to Yunus. Thank you, Siddhartha, for asking this doubt. I had the same doubt yesterday while executing the program, but I was unable to run due to error in PyCharm. Okay, Rohit Kumar, can we sell this project for educational institutes? 100%. 100% you can sell it. This is called what? Console-based application. If you go to Django level, same code as it is, put it into that. Go for what? Django framework, MVT architecture, model view template. You can happily do this. Still, you can do more easily with database communication. Understand? So I said yesterday, contact to MedPlus, contact to Apollo Pharmacy, like that. These are branding pharmaceuticals. You like that there are so many private pharmaceuticals or not? You contact all the pharmaceutical people. First, 2 lakhs. After getting next 1.5 lakh to all the people, 1,50,000, 50,000. Because you developed only one time, you are changing the address of that pharmacy only. Rest of them same. Correct or not? Like that. Project development is not that much difficult. Only that process you will understand. But the ultimate thing is coding. Understand? Keeping the things in the server, get hosting. There is a regular process. But writing the code for hosting the application is going to be an important. Hosting is what general task. Even a non-coder also can host the application. So coding is important for you. Understand? So students, online students, is it clear for everybody now? So now time is also getting over. This code, today I will send you the complete coding for you people. And to access this code, I will provide username and password also. Username and password. Username and password also. There is a module called get pass. Get pass. Get pass means if you type it, no letters will be typed. Just only password will enter. If it is correct, at that password file, I will create one more password file to whom I gave the authorization. But username, I will check in the file. But password, I will check in the file. If it is validate, welcome to so and so college data. If it is username and password, login. Login means what? New user. New user. Name, password, done. He is an admin, and he is an admin now. Next time, if you go for it, he will log in like this. Sign up as a new user, sign up for existing user. Like that. ఏమో మాట్లాడరేంటి మీరు సౌండ్ లేదు అసలు కమాన్ యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్ ఇన్ సి లాంగ్వేజ్ ఆల్సో సి లాంగ్వేజ్ ఫైల్స్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ డూ మనకు అంత సీన్ లేదు అప్పుడు కాలేజీలో ఎందుకు లేదు సార్క్ లేదు అంత సీన్ ఫస్ట్ కరెక్ట్ గర్ల్స్ అంత సీన్ సార్కే లేదు అక్కడ మీకెట్లా వస్తుంది నో ప్రాబ్లం సో నౌ కమ్ టు ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ ప్రథమేష్ సార్ ఐస్ క్రీమ్ సో incomplete 80 questions out of 100 questions. You gave some more questions to practice. So, coming to the point of it, incomplete 80 questions out of 100 questions, you gave us more questions to practice. Still, you are in 80 questions. Sir, I complete 80 questions out of 100 questions. Okay, I thought that still 20 more questions. So, 80 questions, if you solve it, you are a beautiful student. Still, the 20 questions you can solve with other concepts also, numpy pandas related, that also involved in that. But still put your requirement, you will solve it. Put your requirement still, you will follow. Anybody solved 80 questions? మనం చూసామా అసలు దాని ముఖం ఏమైనా చూసామా గర్ల్స్ మనం ఏమైనా ఓపెన్ చేసి చూసాము మాది బాయ్స్ చెప్పాను ముఖం ఏమైనా చూసామా అని మీకు అట్లా చెప్పట్లే నేను Have you seen that open document? Anything solved? How many? 5? 10? Only 10. 90 not solved. Do it. Read the notes. Loops you read well. So do it. So now I will move to the tomorrow class. Come. ఇక్కడ నేను ఎక్కడ వచ్చాను ఇది 9 AM చూడండి ఒకసారి see the things come to the index files here. This is the topic. See such a small index. What we went. Seen? This is the power of subject. Without telling also you can complete. Over. Like other classes of same institute or anywhere. That will not serve your purpose. What do you say? Yes sir, kaadu. What do you say? Correct or wrong? Might be you did not understand some coding, but I just went done like a rock star, like powerful. That is called Python is the job. I did not study Python during my academics. How commitment, responsibility, that dedication required. Wake up at 8:30, taking a direct book and coming and sitting in front of me will not do anything. Once life is given by somebody, we have to fulfill. What do you say? Daily need to wake up at 5 o'clock, open the Python notes, practicing, reading, coming to the class. That is policy. Okay. Anyhow, coming to the Siddhartha. So, sir, moral of story is we can add and modify project based on needs and requirement. The project based to be need to be robust, maintain accuracy and efficiency. 100%. Yeah, Siddhartha said, sir, I don't want to duplicate. I want to check. Yes, I will add some robustness. Correct or not? I want a helmet. While I'm going on helmet, helmet is safety. Sir, my bike lights are not working. I want helmet lights. I want, sir. Okay, we'll prepare new helmet. You can, what you need, you tell me. I will do it. I said that is called converting the dreams of the user to reality of the coding. The software development. Correct or not? Yes. So, Sai Varun, sir, at present you are only the one in training field, or else you still work for any company or do freelancing. See, I was already there in my industry almost 22 years before pandemic and after pandemic 1 year because of heavy time over there because I was unable to hold the pressure of a solution architect level in the same company for years together. I was in the same company from software engineer to highest level position. I went in Java. So I beginning onwards I used to take classes here. And later myself came out and I'm taking classes here morning to evening. So no need to go to companies and all because I was seeing total in and out. That's why I'm telling this much of forcible to you the subject. Understand? You have seen in your academics and you have seen me and you only the deciding factor for me. And I should not say what is the specialty in my class. And you are the best decider for everything. So students, Saivaran, I think you understood me. Now, Prathamesh, sir, when NumPy Pandas new batch will start? It takes 2 months, 3 months also, but will start. Prathamesh, I think now we are able to join NumPy and Pandas batch. Say NumPy and Pandas batch, you can start even in the without Python also you can join. It depends on the trainer to teach. When you came to my Python class, what I said? What I said? ఏం చెప్పాను మీకు ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ యువర్ బేసిక్స్ అని చెప్పాను మిమ్మల్ని అడిగాను 0 to 9 వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ గ్రేడింగ్ అని మీరేం చెప్పారు 0 అని చెప్పారు ఐ రోట్ ఇన్ ద బ్రాకెట్ వాట్ డమ్మింగ్ స్టూడెంట్ ఐ రోట్ ఇట్ దట్ ఈస్ ఎనఫ్ ఫర్ మీ ఐ సెట్ ఈవెన్ NumPy Pandas Matplotlib also I don't want any of your basics. Once teacher is having a fire in the body, that fire will create to anybody. I don't want your Python. Without Python also you will make you to understand what is the NumPy Pandas. Django also anything you want without left hand left finger. Teacher require fire to tell the subject. Cricketer batting only straight ball comes 6 9 players and any ball comes all the ways you need to play. Where the fielder is there, without fielder you need to push the ball. Some of the batsmen will push right hand batsman will push side also, left side or not. That means he is a perfect in batting, perfect in teaching. Any subject they will tell left hand left finger. General example, my regular dialogue, hairstyle. If you have good hairstyle, you can comb anything. If no hairstyle, ring road bypass road only. Remember this. So now, so Harshit, it said the teacher makes the difference, not the classroom. So, like other teacher, you need this fundamental, that fundamental, that fundamental. I don't want to go for what you need earlier. Once you know full subject, You have to have a presentation skills to dump in the student's brain. If you don't read, I'm not responsible. Am I responsible? No. You have to read. So, Prathamesh. So, come to the point back. Now I will stop. So, when I again going to Django, sir, Django, Python, you be perfect. Next, you think about whatever subject I go, sir, will you teach that subject? So, compared to in once we are in perfect in Java, this Python, I feel always it is 0.0001% in my mind. Because Java is a very complicated actually. In that field, we are almost 22 years. When you look at my old videos, Java, 1,000 students will be there in my classes. 1,000. When I leave the class, all traffic jam, total traffic jam. తెలుసా మీకు తెలియదు ఎందుకంటే మీరు చిన్నోళ్ళు అప్పుడు స్మాల్ కిడ్స్ దట్ టైం ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్ నో ప్రాబ్లం రీడ్ వెల్ అండ్ టుమారో క్లాస్ ఐల్ గో ఫర్ వాట్ CSV file I will take it. That to Saturday tomorrow. Already underground, don't go to it because the CSV file is very important. CSV files are very important in NumPy pandas also. Don't miss tomorrow class. Very, very important topic. Unfortunately or fortunately, incidentally, it is coming on Saturday. I can't do anything. It's matching today, tomorrow. You have to attend the class tomorrow, compulsory. Important. Thank you. All the best.